All right, let's jump right in. We're going to tackle a problem I know everyone has faced, that super annoying giant PDF file. This is your quick and practical guide on how to shrink it down to size. I mean, you know the feeling, right? You've got this perfect report or maybe a beautiful catalog all set to send, and then, boom, it's too big. You can't email it, you can't upload it. It's such a classic digital headache. But honestly, don't worry. The fix is way easier than you'd think. Okay, so before we can solve this thing, we gotta understand why it even happens. What's the deal with these huge PDFs anyway? So let's quickly break down what a PDF even is. It stands for Portable Document Format, and its whole superpower is that it locks everything in place. You know, the layout, the fonts, the pictures, it all looks exactly the same whether you open it on a Mac, a PC, or your phone. But, and this is a big but, that superpower is also its weakness. All that locked-in information, especially those crisp, high-quality images, is what makes the file size just explode.
Okay, to make this really hit home, we're going to use a real-world example. I've got this product catalog here, and it's clocking in at 6.85 megabytes. Our mission? Let's see just how tiny we can make this thing.
So, how do we actually do it? Let's kick things off with method number 1. This is the one I call the instant fix because it's all about solving it online right now. We're going to use Adobe's very own free online tool. It's seriously as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. First, just Google PDF Compress or whatever search engine you use. Second, upload your file. You can literally just drag and drop it right onto the page. Third, you get to pick your compression level. Low, medium, or high. Just remember, the higher the compression, the smaller the file, but you might lose a little bit of image quality. And fourth, you just download it. That's it. It could not be more straightforward.
And bam, just look at that. Our 6.85 megabyte file is now only 1.67 megabytes. That is a huge reduction. And the best part? It took what, maybe 10 seconds?
So what's the deal with this method? Well, the good stuff is obvious, right? It's totally free for personal or business use. It works on your computer, on your phone, anywhere, and you don't have to install a single thing. Now, is there a catch? Kinda. After your first time, Adobe will ask you to log in. It's a free account, so it's not a huge deal, but it's just something to keep in mind.
Okay, but what if you're doing this all the time? Or maybe you're somewhere without internet. What then? Well, that brings us right to our second option, using dedicated software right on your PC. For this one, we're going to check out a popular program called OwlPDF. The steps are a little different, but trust me, it's just as simple. You just open your PDF right in the program. Then you'll go to the Tools menu and find something called PDF Optimization. From there, it's the same deal as before. Pick your compression level and then just save the new, wonderfully smaller file. And check this out. The result is even more impressive. That same 6.85 megabyte file is now down to a tiny 1.15 megabytes. That's a whopping 83% reduction. It actually did an even better job than the online tool. How cool is that?
So the huge win here is that you can do this completely offline. No internet, no problem. Plus, you never have to log into anything. A lot of these programs, like OwlPDF, also come packed with other useful features, like editing tools. Now, the main things to remember are, the free version is just for personal use. If you're a business, you'll need to buy a license. And for now, at least, it's a PC-only kind of deal. All right, so we've got two fantastic options on the table, but which one is right for you? How do you choose? Let's figure that out right now.
This little chart here really lays it all out, doesn't it? The online tool, nothing to install, works wherever you've got an internet connection, on your PC or phone. The desktop program, yeah, you got to install it, but then you're free to work offline, though it's just for PC. So it really just boils down to this. Need a quick, occasional fix? The online tool is your hero. But if you're constantly working with PDFs or need to work offline, then a desktop program is absolutely the way to go. It'll be your best friend.
Okay, we've moved pretty fast here and covered a lot, so let's just pull it all together with the key takeaways.
So here's the bottom line. If you just need a fast, one-time fix, like right now on any device you happen to have, an online service is absolutely your best bet. It's quick, it's easy, it's universal. But if you're someone who works with PDFs all the time, if you need that offline access, or if you want all those extra goodies like editing tools, then a desktop program is for sure the better long-term choice.
So,
There you have it. The next time you're faced with one of those monster PDFs, you're not going to be stick. You'll know exactly what to do. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge. So now that you're empowered, the only real question is, which one are you going to choose?